everyone. This is Polymorphism, Assistant Professor of Computer Science and Engineering. And today we are going to discuss about object and classes. Okay, in object-oriented programming. Let's see about it. Okay, first we should know about the objective of the lesson. In that we are going to understand about the objects and classes and to understand about the characteristics of the Java and to know the basic principles of inheritance. Okay, let's see about it. And through that, after completing our unit, through that what we will know about the particular unit. This what the outcomes of the lesson. Okay, at the end of the class, at the end of the unit, what we learnt about it. That is what outcomes of the lesson. See, finally, we can develop our own programming through the help of object-oriented language, which means Java. And the next one, we are going to develop our programs with the concept of inheritance by Java programming language. Okay, let's see about the course content that we are going to discuss here. See, these are all the pillars of the object-oriented programming. Okay, what are the pillars? See, the first one is object, the second one is class, third one is inheritance, and then finally we are going to discuss about the polymorphism. Mainly, we are focusing these concepts to develop a Java programming. Okay, let's see one by one. See, the first one is object. Okay, what is object? I hope everyone will know about it. Okay, object is a real world entity. Okay, it has a separate property and behavior and state. Okay, see the definition. See the first one. It's a member. We all very well know about it. Object is a member. It has a separate identity, behavior and state. I tell you about the real-time example of the object. These are all the real-time examples of the objects. Okay, we know very well about it. Pencil, apple, these are all the objects. Okay, pencil, it has a separate state and behavior, and then bag and book, like bag has a color. These are all the state. These are all the properties, and then state of the bag is a solid state. We know very well about it. Okay, these are all the best examples of the object. And the next thing. See, the next one is a class. Class, what is class? Anyone? Okay. Class is a collection of objects and behaviors, methods. This diagrammatic representation clearly tells about the class. Okay. Class is a collection of fields. Fields nothing but the properties. Okay. And methods. Through that, what we are doing that is called methods. And constructor, I tell you later about the constructors, and inheritance classes, interfaces. Okay, these are all the collection of objects and method called class. Okay, see, I tell you the real-time example about the class. Okay, consider a class of person. Consider a person. This is the class. Okay. Through that, what are the, I tell you, I already told you, class is a collection of data members and methods. Okay, a person having the properties like a person having ID, name and age, city, gender. These are all the properties. Okay, properties of the classes. Okay, and methods through the properties. What are the methods ability to do? Okay, what are the methods we can calculate? Okay, a person can do the operation like they may eat, study, sleep and play. These are all the methods. Clear? By through that, what are the behavior we are doing? What are the action we are doing? That is called methods. Clear? So the simple definition of the class, what is it? It's a collection of data members and methods. Okay, data members means what are the properties the particular object is having. Methods means through that what are the actions we are doing. These are all the properties and methods. Okay. Next we are going to see about the inheritance. Okay. The third pillar of the hoop is called inheritance. Okay, what is inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but it's a deriving a class. We are deriving anything from the old one. That is, it's a derivation. Like we are deriving a class from a old class. Okay. See the simple diagrammatic representation of the inheritance. Okay. For example, I am having two classes. You may consider as a person or anything. Okay. I'm just having a class with the name of A and B. I tell you with the explanation. See, I'm having a class name A and B. Okay. This is my class name. Clear? Okay. See, you can clearly defined is a class B can be derived from class A. Okay. See, like a parent-child relationship. We are just coming from our parents only. Through that, this is the best example for inheritance. See, I'm deriving a new class B from the old class A. Okay. See, the derived class is called subclass or child class. And then the class which is derived from the old class is called child class. Which parent class? Which is a parent class? Class A. Clear everyone? So what is inheritance? Inheritance is nothing but we are deriving a new class from a old class. This is the basic concept of inheritance. Here I declared clearly. Okay, these are all the syntax of the base class and derived class. Clear? Class A, you are defining a class A and class B. Clear? Class B can be derived from the class A. For that we are using the keyword. What is the keyword we are using for deriving a class? Extends. Clear everyone? This what the deriving a class from a whole class. Okay, I given a best real-time example. See, I already told you one example about parent and deriving a child class from a parent. Okay, this is another one example. A vehicle. We are considered as a vehicle. Considered as a class, parent class as a vehicle. Okay, through that we are deriving a multiple subclasses. Multiple subclasses. Not only it comes under that a single inheritance. Here the multiple child classes has been derived from the old class. Okay, like a vehicle is a common name. Under that we can derive it may be car, bus or truck, lorry, anything. Okay, this is the best hierarchical definition of the inheritance. Clear? So the next pillar, we are moving to the polymorphism. What is polymorphism? Can anyone say about the polymorphism? Yes. See, polymorphism is another pillar of the group. Okay. Example, the definition of the polymorphism. We are doing more than one. We are doing a task by more than one form, by more than one action. Okay, which means the ability to do the particular task by more than one form. Okay, that is the basic meaning of the polymorphism. Let's see the example, best real-time example. See, like a person, I am a person, a man. Okay, the man is our task. Okay, man can be act as a separate form according to the situation. If the particular man is going to office, he is an office person. If the man is going with his family, he is acting as a dad of the family. Okay, if the particular man is going to the shopping, he is a shopper of the family. And the next one, if we go to the salesperson, he may act as a salesperson. Okay, so our the major task is the man is doing some task. Okay, at a different form he is doing his task. This is the example of polymorphism. Okay, let's that's it. We are just winding our classes with these pillars. Let's summarize our topic. I conclude. So at last we are conclude our topic. We are concluding our topic like a summarization. What are the basic pillars of the object oriented programming? Is the object, class, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, these are all the pillars of OOP. And object is a real world entity. Class is a collection of object data members and methods. Okay. And inheritance, yeah, it's a deriving a class from a whole class. And the next thing, finally, we just end with the final pillar of OOP. What is it? Polymorphism. Okay, it's a ability to take more than one form. Okay, that's all about the basic pillars. Thank you.